Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. I am off of East Las Olas, which is a famous little strip of road. And what I'm hoping to catch today is a bunch of nice vehicles crossing over because you get, So one of the problems with Micro Four Thirds, and everyone knows it, is not a very good low light system, especially when you're not using the right lens for the job, which definitely is not this. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to try to make some lemonade out of all of this. And that's one of the things that I'm going to try to pull off while I'm here, because I don't have a choice. I have this lens and I have this body, so that's what I'm going to try to do.